Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Just want to come and say hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So I am back, okay, to show you an opportunity that I've been a part of since November of 2018, okay? This program still works. It's very high in demand. Everybody wants to have something that's simple to be able to make money online, and we're going to talk about that real quickly here. Hang on 1 second for me. Okay, it's Instant Cash Solution. You see me talk about it before, guys. Great opportunity, great program, great price point for everybody. It has a $100 level, $200 level, $300 level, and a $500 level. And basically, this particular course, it's a course for Craigslist or classified ads training, if you will. Because what it does is shows you how to post ads on classified sites, and it also includes the ad copy. That's what's more important than anything. People don't know what to say on their ads. So with Instant Cash Solution, it comes with 50 image ads. Also, it comes with Facebook image ads. Okay, so you have lots and lots of ads that you can post out here. They're really generic. You can really use these ads for anything, not just Instant Cash Solutions, because they're generic ads. And when people respond to the ad, you can really direct them where you want them to go. They don't know what the program is. So this can be used, the course and the training can be used for any opportunity. Okay, but of course you want to promote Instant Cash Solution because it's a great opportunity. You have all the training you need here. There's weekly training by the owner himself where you can come on the training class and you can send any questions and he will answer those for you. So he's very active as far as that's concerned. Okay, and then you have your back office, which is where you see I am right now. Everything is in here, guys. Okay, everything you need, and I'm going to go through some of this with you. Okay, he's actually put a new facelift on it. We've got new capture page. This is one of the pages here. That's my webinar. Hold on a second. Okay, here's one of the new capture pages, which is awesome to run some traffic to. Okay, it's a great page. And then, like I said, here's the back office. So let's go through some of this here. I'm using that as my main page. By the way, you can receive your payments any way you like with this as well, whether it's Cash App, Stripe, whatever. You know, it's up to you. I've received cash payments where someone's gone to Walmart and paid me. It doesn't matter how you want to do that. That's up to you. So let's go through some of the training. You can see here, resources, marketing. We have banners. Guys, we have SMS marketing, classified websites. There's an 800 sizzle number you can use. Here's the display ads. Okay. Here's also some headlines you can use. Everything you need is back here. Press 1 Cash was introduced to me with this. I've been a part of Press 1 Cash, by the way, since last year as well. I joined both of these last year of 2018, right around November. Okay, so I've been a part of this program for quite some time now. So this is a great price point. Like I said, you can get started for low as $129. Okay, all the way up to a $500 level. So it's a great way to get started. All the ad copy is given to you. Let me see if I can go in there and I'm going to show you a few of those. But you can broadcast your list right here. You click this button and you can email your list too for all your leads that come in. You can track your commissions here. It's all in one built in. Your autoresponders built in. Everything is here. All you need to do is direct traffic to this, and we show you how to do that. Okay? Hang on. Let's see if we can get over to some of the ad copy. Okay. I see us display image ads. Okay? All you have to do is copy one of these images, and you will have the image. Here's a good one. Okay? Here's an example of one right here. We're hiring, right? You can use this, guys. And you see it has all the verbiage on it. All you need to do is put the image there and it will display just like that. For example, on Craigslist, you can use this. Okay, the image has all the verbiage you need. All you need to do is post the images. So here's another one. Okay, these are some great ads to post out here. like I said, for any opportunity that you have, you can use this. So it's a win-win. It's really, you're using these ads for instant cash solution, but you can use them for whatever you want, because if you look at the verbiage, it's really universal. It will work in any opportunity. Okay, so you cannot lose with this. So like I said, you have 50 image ads. Okay, all these are awesome. So all you have to do is post them, and I have at least 100 other places that I can give you that you can use to place those. Okay, we have banners, guys. Anywhere that you can actually post banners, the banners are back here. All you have to do is click that area, copy, and then paste it in the classified section. Okay, there's a quick start. If you click here, there's a quick start action plan. It tells you where to get started, or over here it says get started here. That's where you want to go. Everything is video tutorial, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what to do. Just go to get started and you're ready to roll. Okay, here it is again, get started. It's everywhere, all over the place. Okay, so don't just come back here and just start placing ads. You want to go to get started so that you can actually set this up properly. Okay, alright, so let's look here. Classified advertising. Okay, and we tell you the top cities right here. Craigslist top cities where to place ads. Everything is downloadable. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Craigslist image ads, here they are again. So everything is right at your fingertips. Just log in the back office, quick get started. Now you are going to need, I've had people that did not have Microsoft Office on their computer, so they couldn't open the Excel or Word doc. So make sure you have that on your computer so that you can see everything. Other than that, you're good to go, and most computers have that, guys, so you'll be fine. So with that being said, let me show you one more thing that you can see right here. That's the press one. We have that. Let me show you my webinar too that I had created right here. The owner created that, so I can actually, I have a domain that goes to that, and I can send people right to this domain, and it brands me. Okay, that's very important, branding yourself, not the company. So I can actually send people here. He does the selling and telling, and it has my name, all my information here, so people can get back with me. Okay, so that's very key. All right, and I've got special bonuses for you if you come in at that $500 level. As you can see, I'm at the platinum level. Okay, this is a great way for you to get started online. Okay, another great opportunity. I'm only bringing you these things that I am using, that I've made money with. Okay, I'm not doing a review. This is a program I've been a part of. Okay, so let me show you. I had a sale come in actually on the 4th of July. Okay, while I was out enjoying family and friends, a sale came in, guys. So let me show you that. Hang on a second. Okay, I don't want to show the person's information, so I'm just going to show you the date. Hang on one second. Hang on. Okay, as you can see right here, it says July 4th, Thursday, and it's a platinum membership. That's $500. Okay. All right. So while I'm out enjoying life, the systems was working for me. That's what I'm telling you guys. You have to put your information out there, guys. The more exposure you get to it. Okay. I never spoke to this person. Okay. At all. The system did all the selling and telling for me. Okay. Next thing I knew, I looked at my email after 11. I think it was around 11 something. I got that message, and I'll show you that too. Hang on a second. But as you can see, look here. Okay, see the people that are coming in: 100, 200, 500, 500, 300, 500. People are signing up for this program, okay, because it's an awesome system. So let me show you that email, and we can get you started as well. Hang on one second. Alright, here we go, guys. $500, Stripe, July 4th at 11:27 p.m. Okay? I was out having fun with family and friends. Check my email. Voila, 500 there. Okay, so does this work? Absolutely. Never spoke to the person. Okay, so if you set up your systems correctly, guys, okay, you set up your systems correctly, this can work for you as well. Okay? Okay, and I can show you how to set everything up. It's very simple, actually. All you're going to need to do actually is go in here and pick what capture page you want to use. He has several in here. Let me show you those. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually. Okay, there's 5, well, actually 6 now. Yeah, 6 capture pages. Okay, these are the sales pages. And we've got a new sales page actually coming. Okay, because this is the original one. Let me show you the current one. Hang on a second. Okay, when someone opts in, guys, they go right here. This is what they see when they opt into the capture page. This video does the selling and telling. Okay, there's some testimonies on this page. Okay, they pick a level. There's some proof payments. Okay. They pick which level they want to join. They come down here. They click whether it's the $100, the $200, $300, or $500 level. They pay that plus the admin. And the admins are very reasonable, guys. Look, it's only $29 for all of the admins except the $500 level is $79. So that's very, very reasonable to get started. Okay. So you can make unlimited $100 commissions, $200, $300, or $500. It's up to you where you want to start, and you can always upgrade later. Okay, but I always say you come in to hire. That way you don't worry about leaving any money on the table. Okay, but come in where you can. All right. So this is the sales page. So obviously this is what the person saw, and this is what people see, and they just joined. Like I said, I never spoke to this person, so that tells you this works. This was autopilot income. Okay, let me show you the new page that he has. Hang on a second, that's coming. It's not finished yet though, but hang on. It hadn't been released yet. Okay, this is going to be the new sales page. Matter of fact, I see my testimonies on here that I gave. I'm going to actually put my information in here. Okay, I'm going to put one of my videos there, but this is the video that everybody will see that does the selling and telling. And if you come down, we got new testimonies in here. Hang on, I'm going to show you. Mine will show up here in a second. It does it on its own. Hang on. Christina, Joe. Okay, here's my testimony. My first 6 days in the program, I made $1,100 bucks. Okay, so not just my testimony. You can see there's others in here. Okay. Okay, more people have added their testimonies in here, guys. So this is a perfect system for you to get started. You get everything you need is in here. Okay, so we have your capture pages. Just pick one, get started. This is one I was using before. This is very good on classified ad sections because it states that you're posting ads. Okay, well, we have everything you need. With that being said, guys, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell. Okay, that way you're notified every time I upload new videos. But go ahead, click the link below, get started with me in Instant Cash Solution. This is a perfect opportunity for you. Another great affiliate program that I'm a part of. Okay, as you can see, I showed you proof that it works, and it's a solid company. Okay, so with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.